We're having a fry sauce tasting today. Fry sauce, it's a thing here in Utah. It's a thing in Idaho. And I had to slim it down on a protective diet. So now we have skinny fry sauce. But I'm not just eating this on my baked French fries, my cheater baked potatoes. I'm dressing salads with it. I'm putting in rice bowls. I'm dipping my tortilla chips in it. I love Protective Diet Skinny Fry Sauce, and I think you're gonna love it too. It's a blender-free sauce, a quickie recipe. It makes 1 cup at a time, but I recommend doubling it up. This is a triple batch here because I'm sharing it with all my friends here in Utah to get their review on Protective Diet Skinny Fry Sauce. This week's recipe, I know it's gonna be a huge hit. Let me know. Take care.
And best of health.